Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, we're going to be reviewing a wig. As you can see at the side of me, it's already customized. It's looking good. I'm so excited. Like, I just want y'all to get in tune. Like, Love Me Hair sent me this bomb wig to review for you guys. It is a 20-inch glueless wig, and they always send me some goodies alongside the wig. They sent me this really cute head tie. They also sent me this edge brush, which I loved. And they sent me this really small, very cute mirror. They always make sure to send a wig cap along with the wig, and hair care tips on how to take care of the hair, and any questions you might have will be in there. This wig is a high density breathable lace closure wig. I did the curls off camera and the hair was extremely soft and extremely shiny. The hairline does come pre-plucked, but I did pluck mine a little bit more, as you can tell. This wig does come with an elastic band. All of their wigs come with elastic bands and clips to make sure that the hair is secure. It comes with 4 combs, 2 along the side and 1 on the top and another one on the bottom. The lace melted with my skin tone extremely well. Like, guys, just look at this. So, time to put my wig on. I am so super happy. This is a closure wig, so I don't even gotta do too much. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna just get my makeup. I'm not even gonna do the wig cap method because that's not needed. This is just a closure. I mean, if you feel like doing the wig cap method and you need a tutorial on the wig cap method, there is a video on my channel. I will tag it down in the description box below. But honestly, I don't think it's needed for a closure. But first things first, I'm going in with this makeup. I'm just gonna go ahead and start by painting my little bald cap. Take the elastic band right in the front, put it behind your head. Then you just turn your head over. Nah, I feel like this is gonna be so melted. You pull it back. Let me pull it down. All right, so let's. All right, so I just clipped it all in, all around. This wig feels really good on my head. I'm not even gonna cap it. It feels really snug. See, I know all them other wigs I was saying I was never gonna take off. This wig, I personally mean it. Don't that look so shiny? Yeah. Oh my god. It looks so shiny. This just looks so healthy. Yo, this is fire. This is so fire. Scalp. And what about it? Let me check out the back. Now you acting bougie. You get new wig, new you. And what about it? Yeah. New wig, new me. Yeah. 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 I'm not gonna cap. Love Me Hair really came through with this one. This might have to be the top 10. This, excuse me. So they sent me a couple of wigs so far, but this might have to be top 2. It might even be number 1 of that top 2. Like, that's how bomb this wig is. They really did their thing with this one. Like, I give you guys props. Like, if y'all not buying this wig, I don't know why you're not buying this wig. It's glueless. This is a glueless unit. Look at the hair. It holds curls really well, and I barely curled them. Barely. Not only that, she is shiny. She is soft. I don't even need to convince y'all. Y'all can see with y'all own eyes that this is a bomb wig. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. So first things first, I'm just gonna push everything back. Ooh, baby.
When cutting the lace, I try to get as close as possible to where the hairlines start to give off the most natural look possible.
I'm gonna get some makeup and kind of like tap it in there a little bit. Okay, hold on, let me get a little more. Let me get a little bit more. Is that in the middle? I think that's in the middle. This side kind of just like disappeared on me. Yeah, do y'all see how that side just disappeared? I mean, yeah, this is cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take my edges back out. Like, where did you even go in the first place? Yeah, now this is really glueless, y'all. Oh yeah. Yeah, we did it. All right, so I think this is heated. Now this looks really good. Just hot comb this down.
I just hot comb it to just make sure that it's extremely flat on the top. So as you can see right now, it's a little bit like big on the top, big and puffy, which I don't really like. I like my wigs to be flat.
Look at that. Look at that, girlies. I'm not gonna cap. They really showing out with this one. Look how bouncy. Look how juicy these curls look. I mean, look how shiny. This is how long the hair is for me. Actually, pretty long. I'm about to straighten it just to see how it's gonna look. Just to see how bone straight it'll get. I'm actually gonna start with a small piece. Now this hair is so like silky. Like, how's that possible? All right, let's see how bone straight it gets. Y'all see the curl at the bottom? Hold on. Look how bone straight that got.
From 8 until late, I think about you. On my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine.
So which way do you guys prefer the hair? Do y'all prefer it with, let me curl this up a little bit. What side do y'all like better? Comment down below which side you like better. Why are you moving like that? Like, y'all can't, I don't think y'all could see. Effortless. It's just so silky and it's like moving. Oof. Yes, I could flat iron it piece by piece. Will I? No, because I'm lazy.
You just wanna lap dance. You just wanna pop up on this one, take you to Batman. You just wanna pull up in the sun with your best.
All right, can I say something like really quickly? One thing about Love Me Hair, and no cap, I would never make this up. If their hair that they sent me was trash, I would say it's trash. Period. Like, I would dead tell y'all for real. But one thing about their hair that I cannot make up, and I swear to y'all, like I really honestly swear to y'all, their hair quality is top 10, like top tier. Like their hair quality is amazing.
Tell me what you see.
Not even to mention this is glueless. Like y'all just seen me move. Look at my big old forehead. I don't mess with that. I don't like that. That's the middle. That look like the middle to me.
In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe.
And y'all could tell it's thick because at the ends, it don't even look like it's thinning. Like it literally looks full at the end. Like, do y'all see that?
What I could do, what I could do. Right around love, right around slap me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right around love, right around talking to me. Oh, yeah.
So y'all can actually see how shiny it is. Very shiny. The ends are not even thin, they're super thick. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys go and purchase this wig. You will not regret it. All the hair information will be down below in the description box below. If you guys did make it to the end of this video, I love you guys, and I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.